Guys, everyone, please check your audio and video settings, please. Okay, this course is Spring for Full Stack Students. This is our course, Rababu. Spring Framework for Full Stack Students. Please check your audio and video settings. Am I visible? Am I audible? Right, guys. Okay, guys. What is the prerequisite for this? What is the prerequisite for this course? Core Java OOPS knowledge, exception handling knowledge is required. Okay, guys. Core Java OOPS knowledge and exception handling knowledge is required, Rabbi. To learn this course, Core Java OOPS knowledge and exception handling knowledge is required. Next. Duration of this course. Duration. Okay. 50 to 60 sessions. Okay. Don't count the dates. Okay. 50 to 60 sessions are required. Next one. Timings. Yeah, it's not 5:30, Rababu. It's a 5:45. The session starts at 5:45 p.m. and it will continue up to 7:05 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. Right, guys. Okay. Immediately, you don't need Servlet JSP knowledge, Babu. But before I launch Spring MVC framework. What framework, guys? Spring MVC framework. Make sure that you are having Servlet JSP knowledge. Immediately, Servlet JSP knowledge is not required. Got it, guys? Okay. Yeah. Course syllabus I will share in the form of what? PDF document very soon. And this course is going to be completely online session, Babu. Weekly. Okay. 6 to 7 sessions will happen. Sometimes I may call you on Sundays for special topics, common topics, Babu. 6 to 7 sessions will be there. Okay. Right. Now listen, most important. Modules covered in. Which modules? Spring modules covered in. Spring modules covered in this course. Right, guys. Okay, guys. Right, boss. Tell me next one. What is the Spring core will be covered, Babu? Right. Spring JDBC will be covered. Spring AOP will be covered. Spring AOP covered. Pure NASCAM syllabus, Babu. Pure NASCAM syllabus. Got it? Okay. Spring JDBC will be covered. Spring transaction management. Okay. Next. Spring ORM. Okay. ORM, basics of Hibernate. Yeah, actually, to learn Spring ORM module, we need Hibernate knowledge. That's why basics of Hibernate will be discussed. Spring Web MVC module. Are Spring MVC or Spring Web MVC one and the same? Okay. Spring JDBC repeated twice. Okay, we'll do that. Okay. T here, E here, F here, here. Spring mail. Spring mail. Okay. Next. Okay. Mini projects. You will be studying multiple mini projects. Okay, nice. Plus Java real-time tools. Java real-time tools. Understanding my statement, guys? Java real-time tools. Okay. We will be studying 10 plus tools, Rabab. What are those? What are those? Log4j. Log4j. Tell me next. SLF4j. SLF4j. Next one, guys. JUnit. Okay. Git. You'll be studying debugging. You'll be studying Jacapo. Java code coverage tool. Jacapo. Java code coverage, right? Okay, all your personal questions I will take at the end of the session. Can you focus only on current topic? Please use the chat box only to ask current topic related questions. Right, boss? Last 10-15 minutes I will spend only to clear your personalized queries. Okay, subject related queries. Right now, you please spend time only for subject related discussion, current ongoing topic. Please use chat box only for that. Okay, guys. Next, you will be studying. Okay. Unit testing is done. Okay, here we will study Mockito also. Mockito. We will be studying Mockito also. Nice, guys. Okay. Docker, you will be studying Rababu. Jenkins, you will be studying. Okay. A lot of debugging tools you will study. Git, Docker, Jenkins. And etc. works. Many things. And you'll be actually you want names of particular names of what. Before putting and etc. I will study, I will keep. Okay, we'll be studying Jira. Okay. We'll be studying Jira. You'll be studying Maven. You'll be studying Maven Bravo. Maven 2. You'll be studying Gradle 2. Okay, and etc. Many guys. 10 plus I said. And plus you will be studying. Okay, lots of common topics, Rahul. Common topics. Yeah, what do you mean by common topics? Yeah, sessions for these tools, sessions for these common topics will be there on Saturday, Sundays. On weekdays, we'll be having discussions on Spring Babu, and on weekends, we'll be having sessions on these common topics. Lot of common topics. What is that? Resume preparation and interview tips. Okay, here we will study how to cheat a software company, how to crack the job, both the things. Showing showing gap as experience. How to show gap as experience. How to show gap as experience. Next, guys. Array, after engineering, you enjoyed for 2 years. Nothing to worry. You can show 2 years gap as experience. After engineering, you tried for bank job for 2-3 years. You tried for UPSC competitive exam for 2-3 years. No problem. You can show those 2-3 years gap as experience, Rabo. Right. Do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts after joining in the software company. After joining in the software company. What should be done, what should not be done. Right? Okay, guys. Yeah. Showing gap as organization. Showing gap as experience is indirectly cheating na boss. Lamba KPI. We'll study about Lamba KPI. We'll study about annotations. We'll study about annotations, right? Okay. We'll study about project release process. We'll study about project release process. We'll study about IT industry. We'll try to know about IT industry. What are different types of project, different types of companies. Lot of knowledge will be given related to IT industry now. Okay. Next, tools required in IT industry at different phases. Okay, at different phases. Understanding my statement? Okay. So like this, we'll be having a lot of common topics now. Okay. Yeah, few questions are coming here, boss. Few questions are coming here. Right. Note. In NASCOM full stack, there is no Spring Boot and microservice content. There is no Spring Boot and microservice content. That's why this course is only for full stack students. Okay. Spring Boot and microservice is separate course. Is separate course. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. But for full stack students of Naresh IT, for full stack students of Naresh IT, definitely discount will be there when this course is started. And I'm going to take this course end to end. I'm going to take this course end to end. So in this course, except full stack students, no other outsiders are allowed. No other outsiders are allowed. All other outsiders should think about joining in this course, which I am going to start from. Okay. September 15th, 7:30 p.m. September 13th, 7:30 p.m. New batch will start, Babu. Spring Basics. Okay. Spring Boot and microservices. Spring Boot and microservices. Okay. This is the course. Spring Boot and microservices. Understanding my statement? This is end-to-end Spring learning. End-to-end Spring learning. Understanding my statement? Am I audible, guys? Am I audible? End-to-end Spring learning. Okay. Or this is also called Spring Stack course. Spring Stack course. Understanding? 7:30 p.m. And this is completely online course, Rababu. This is online course. Even this course is also online course. This course is online course. Clear, guys? This course fee is okay 8,000 rupees. Okay, with free React JS or Angular. Okay, React JS Angular. But for full stack students of Naresh IT, okay, the fee is 3,000 rupees. Got it? Understanding my statement, guys? Only for Naresh IT full stack students, it is just 3,000 rupees. So for this reason, okay, in NASCAM syllabus, officially NASCAM syllabus, Spring Boot and microservice is not given. Okay, Spring Boot and what microservice is not given, but we want to teach you. That's why we are just charging 3,000 rupees and we are giving entire Spring Stack course to full stack students. Clear? For any outsider, they are looking for this course, they need to pay 8,000 rupees. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear, guys? For full stack students, listen carefully. For full stack student, React JS Angular is already there in the course. React JS Angular is already there in the course, right? Okay, if you want to take this free course or actual full stack Angular subject, that is up to you. That is up to you. Okay, guys. This course duration is 130 sessions. Bigger course, Rababu. 130 sessions to 150 sessions. Okay, it's a bigger course. If you don't have time constraint, okay, yeah, by attending 2 topics per day, 2 topics per day, we can reduce the course duration by what is that? 80 to 90 sessions. 80 to 90 session. Understanding my statement, guys? Super, guys. People may ask me, full stack students, why it is not there in my Spring course? Spring Boot and microservice also should be there in full stack. Array, Naresh IT full stack syllabus is not decided by Naresh IT. Naresh IT full stack Java course syllabus is decided by NASCAM organization, which is a organization maintained by central government to control IT services in India, right? IT services in India. Understanding my statement? Okay. In that course curriculum, somehow they missed Spring Boot and microservices. Right now, discussions are going on. We are trying to convince NASCAM team Spring Boot microservice is very important. Please include them. But they are dragging. That's why we have given this particular offer. Understanding my statement, guys? That's why we have given this offer. Learn Spring in full stack program and just pay 3,000 rupees and you can learn Spring Boot and microservices. You can learn Spring Boot and microservices. Understanding my statement? Any confusion? For the timing, you remember Spring Boot is equal to Spring plus plus. Okay, Spring plus plus. Understanding my statement? Class timings will not be changed. If you have other classes, either drop from that batch or drop from this batch. Timings will not be changed because I have my sessions also. I have my meetings also to conduct. Is that clear, guys? Super. Okay. Right. I think you got crystal clear clarity about course curriculum, boss. Right, boss. Without having Spring knowledge, you cannot come for Spring Boot and microservices. Spring Boot and microservice needs Spring as the prerequisite. Okay, guys. Everyone understanding my statement? Super. Okay. I think, sir, Spring Basic, Spring Boot, and microservice course duration is bigger. That's why I have given 2 options. Option number 1, everything in single slot, 130 sessions to 150 session. If you take 2 topics per day, morning 1 topic, evening 1 topic, the duration can be reduced to 80 to 90 sessions. 80 to 90 sessions. Yes. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Shall I go to next discussion? Right. C, C++, C, C++, Java, C Sharp, and etc. are called what, guys? Programming languages, right? These are called programming languages. Super. Next, JDBC, Servlet, JSP, JNDI, JNDI, okay, JNDI, EZB, JAS, JMS, and etc. are called Java technologies. Java technologies. Spring Boot, Spring Boot, Struts, JSF, and etc. are called Java frameworks. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Right. In core Java, we are learning language part of Java. In advanced Java, we are learning technology part of Java. Are most of these topics are covered in advanced Java course, Ra Babu. Covered or not covered? JSP. What is JSP? Java Server Pages. Java Server Pages, right? Next, EJB, Enterprise Java Beans. Today, just listen the names and try to understand which falls under which category. Okay, Enterprise Java Beans. JAS, Java Authentication and Authorization Service. Authentication and Authorization Service. Okay, guys. Next, JMS, Java Messaging Service. Java Messaging Service. Right, boss. Here only one abbreviation, JSF. What is JSF? Java Server Faces. JSF is nothing but, okay, Java Server Faces. Okay. Okay, guys. Java Server Faces. Right. Again, I'm telling for everyone who is there in the meeting. In this course, only we will learn Spring. In this course, Naresh IT, Naresh IT, Java full stack students only allowed. Outsiders are not allowed. Sir, what about others who are looking for your Spring course? I said now, September 15th onwards, 7:30 p.m. I'm going to start Spring Basics, Spring Boot, and Microservice course. There, end-to-end Spring learning will be done. Spring Boot, microservices, Spring REST, web services, lot of things of Spring will be learned. Okay, guys. So join in that course. Plan in this course. This course is purely for Naresh IT full stack student, where Spring will be covered. Understanding my statement? Spring MVC is part of this course. Spring Web MVC or Spring MVC, both are one and the same. Both are one and the same. Got it, guys? Super. So shall I move to next level discussion, guys? Java server pages. Yeah, some people are asking what is JNDF. Java naming and directory interface. Java naming and directory interface. Super, guys. Right, guys? Yeah. Who needs this Spring? Who needs this Spring course? Tell me, who needs this Spring course, guys? Who needs this Spring course? As of now, as on today, Spring course is required. Spring framework knowledge is required. For Java fresher. Java experience. Java full stack developer. Understanding my statement, guys? It is required for everyone. Full stack developer, both fresher and experience. Understanding? Super. It is required for everyone. Without Spring, your resume will not be considered. Without Spring, your profile will not be considered. So it has become quite mandatory for all Java people, Ramo. Nowadays, from freshers also, they are expecting Spring knowledge. And note, to learn Spring Boot and microservices, we need Spring framework as the prerequisite. Everyone getting my point, guys? Super. Now listen. Java developer needs. What is that? Java developer needs what? Core Java knowledge, advanced Java knowledge, Spring knowledge, Spring Boot knowledge, and microservices knowledge. Java developer knowledge. Microservices knowledge and few other things related to Java. Plus tools knowledge, guys. Java real-time tools is there, not that. Understanding my statement, guys? Tools knowledge is required. Common topics knowledge is required. Common topics knowledge. Am I audible, guys? Check your network bandwidth if I am not audible. Is that clear? And you can do core Java Spring course parallelly. You can do advanced Java Spring course parallelly. You can learn. Just now I talked about tools. 10 plus tools I talked. Tools knowledge. These tools knowledge, right? Common topics knowledge. These common topics knowledge is required. So Java developer needs this knowledge. If you want to become full-fledged Java developer, you should have this knowledge. Understanding my statement? Super, guys. Tools discussion, common topics discussion will take place on Saturdays, Sundays. Some tools, some common topics will be given in the form of videos. Some sessions will be conducted as a live sessions. Clear, guys? And remaining days, you will be having regular Spring subject. Java full stack developer. Full stack Java developer or Java full stack developer needs number one, Java domains knowledge. Java domain knowledge, Rabo. So when I say Java domain knowledge, what you should learn, guys? All this stuff. Super, guys. Next, database knowledge. You should have a database knowledge, right? What is this? Generally, Oracle or MySQL. These two are quite proven databases, Babu. Oracle or MySQL plus MongoDB. Nowadays, they are expecting MongoDB knowledge. Am I audible? Am I audible? Come on. If I am not audible, please check your network bandwidth. Please check your network bandwidth. Okay, MongoDB guys. Both PL. When it comes to Oracle MySQL, you should have knowledge on both SQL and MySQL. Sorry, SQL and PL SQL Ravo. Right. That is number 2. Number 3, UI technologies knowledge. UI technologies knowledge. UI technologies knowledge. Understanding my statement? Okay. UI technologies knowledge. Yeah, what are the UI technologies we should use, guys? HTML, CSS, JavaScript. JavaScript. Come on, guys. Okay. Bootstrap, Angular, React.js. Angular or React.js. Clear, guys? Okay. We should also have knowledge on. We should also have knowledge of DevOps tools, Bob. So we should have also knowledge of testing. Software testing knowledge is there, na? There we have to learn manual testing. Okay, automation testing. As part of automation, what you have to learn, guys? Selenium. Selenium. Next, testing knowledge. Okay, guys. Next, DevOps knowledge. Alright. Once project is ready, boss, in order to take that project, in order to deploy that project in cloud environment, lot of supporting tools knowledge is required. They are called DevOps tools, developer operations tools, Bob. DevOps knowledge. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. DevOps knowledge. Naresh IT full stack developer course covers all these topics. Okay. DevOps knowledge. What kind of tools we should learn there? Maven. Okay. Gradle. Jenkins. Docker, Ansible, Kubernetes. It's a separate course. DevOps is a separate course. Kubernetes, GitHub. Okay. GitHub and etc. These are DevOps tools, Rabab. Okay. Next. Cloud knowledge. We should be in a position to manage the cloud, Rababu. Cloud knowledge. What is cloud? Cloud knowledge. Nowadays, okay, guys, listen carefully. Cloud knowledge. Earlier, to develop the project, to test the project, to run the project, we used to have our own hardware and software setup. Understanding my statement? We used to have our hardware and software setup. But nowadays, no one is arranging their own hardware and software setup. Everyone is taking hardware and software setup that is required for project development, testing, and what? Execution or production on rental basis. What basis? On rental basis from the internet. The one that is there in the internet providing hardware and software setup on rental basis is called cloud, boss. Is called cloud. Understanding my statement, guys? So that what happens, guys? No one need to arrange great hardware, great software to develop and test and execute the projects, Babu. Everyone can go to internet. They can talk to cloud people like AWS. They can talk to cloud people like Google Cloud, right? and they can choose their choice hardware, they can choose their choice software. Using that setup, they can develop the project, they can test the project, they can run the project forever. Right, boss? Right. Understanding my statement? Okay. So that is called cloud. Cloud knowledge. Okay, guys. Using hardware. What is that? Hardware and hardware, comma, software services from internet setup on rental basis. On rental basis. Examples, guys. What is this? AWS is there, Google Cloud is there, Google Cloud is there, Oracle Cloud is there, Windows Azure is there. Okay, Windows Azure is there. Here is this is the best. AWS is doing well. Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services is doing. So now you got the clarity. You should have knowledge on 6 domains. Then only you will become Java full stack developer. Knowledge in Java, knowledge in database, knowledge in UI technologies, user interface technologies, testing, DevOps, then you will become full stack developer. But listen, guys, listen. Okay, as a fresher learning 6 domains and becoming expert in 6 domains is okay, guys. Becoming expert, okay. Becoming expert in 6 domains is quite challenging, quite hard also. That's why if you feel this is very difficult, understanding, do one thing. First, try to become Java developer. Take the time of 1-2 years, and in the span of total 3 years of experience, try to promote yourself as a full stack developer. This also can be done. This also can be done. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Comfortable? Sir, you are very talented. You can do hard work. You can work 16 hours per day. Then, as a fresher only, you try for full stack developer. No, sir, I am not that much talented. I cannot do that much hard work. I cannot spoil my brain that extent. So, do one thing. Okay, first try to become full Java developer, Babu. Take this 1 year, 2 year time and try to become what? Full stack developer. Okay, what's the difference between Java developer and full stack developer? Okay, Java developer is expert in Java only. Full stack developer is master in 6 domains. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay, guys. No doubt. 1 hour other day, you have to become full stack developer. Whether you want to become immediately or whether you want to become by taking 2-3 years time or 3-4 years time, that's up to you. That's up to you. Whatever your capability is there, accordingly you choose it. But 1 hour other day, every day, and everyone has to become full stack developer. 50% salary difference will be there between Java developer and full stack developer. Java fresher, max 4 to 5 lakhs. Java full stack developer fresher, 7 to 8 lakhs may come. Sometimes it may get 9 to 10 lakhs also. Java experienced 5 years, 15 to 20 lakhs. Max to max 15 to 20 lakhs. Java full stack developer, 5 years experience, 30 to 35 lakhs will be. 30 to 35 lakhs will be there. Understanding my statement, guys? Got the clarity? Okay. Java developer is like cricket batsman. Cricket batsman. Okay. Like Rohit Sharma. Like Rohit sir. They are very good in what? Batting. Only one domain they are very good. They are very good in this one. Java full stack developer is like cricket all-rounder. Cricket all-rounder. Right, boss. Like MS Dhoni, Hardik Pandya, Jadeja, Ravindra Jadeja. Jadeja is there now, boss. Okay, these are like full stack developer. They can bat, they can bowl, they can do fielding very well. Understanding my statement, guys? They can do fielding very well, and they can do a number of things, and they can maintain the team. Okay, even Dhoni kind of person can do captaincy also. He will plan strategies for the match, right? Super, guys. Okay, next one. Do I need DSA knowledge? Do I need DSA knowledge? Data structure and algorithms. DSA means what, guys? Data structure and algorithms. Algorithms. Okay. Tell me, guys, do you need DSA knowledge? Do you really need DSA knowledge? Okay. Listen, guys. Yes, needed only when you are targeting top MNCs, top MNCs like Amazon, Arakil Corporation, okay, DE Shah Company, Google, only Meta company, Facebook company called Meta. In these companies only, they expect DSA knowledge. In remaining companies, DSA knowledge is not required. In remaining companies, DSA knowledge is not required. All product-based companies also don't expect DSA knowledge now. But top NNCs, along with the technologies knowledge, they even expect DSA, data structures and algorithms. Okay. Answer. What is the answer? Okay. Learn this. Learn this course or subject only if you are targeting to get into what, guys? Top MNCs, right? Okay, guys, top MNCs like Amazon, Meta. Facebook company name is Meta, right? Google, DE Shah, one company is there, DE Shah. Okay, in any language you can learn data structures algorithm. Since you are a Java guy, okay, okay, you prefer learning in Java. Arakil Corporation and X. Okay. Don't keep the dream of working with Amazon, Babu. Amazon delivery boy also Amazon employee. Okay. Try to work in level 3, level 2 of Amazon. Even JP Morgan also expects data structures and algorithm knowledge, no doubt in that. Am I clear so far, guys? Am I clear so far? What is the conclusion? If you start learning all these things, to learn these things only 1.5 years is required. But we cannot wait without doing job for 1.5 years. So my question is, my suggestion is, try to become first Java developer. Take the time of 2-3 years and try to become Java full stack developer. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Super, guys. Tell me, guys, conclusion. First, target to become Java developer. Okay. Then aim to become okay, Java full stack developer in the span of 1 2 3 years. In the span of 2 3 years. So what my suggestion, What my suggestion, Okay, once you complete Java course in full stack boss, apply for the jobs. If you get a job, join in that company as a Java developer. Parallelly run remaining things. Okay. The moment you complete all this thing, try to jump to other company as a full stack developer. Try to jump to other company as a full stack developer. So don't ever keep the target of I will complete all the topics of full stack development, then I will try for job. The moment your core Java, advanced Java is over, even Spring is going on. Parallel, you apply for job. If you get opportunity as a fresher, that too in a Java domain, join in that. Parallelly complete remaining topics of full stack course and happily, okay, jump to a new company as a full stack. I hope you understood, guys. But don't think that I should become master in all the 6 domain. Then only I will get into company as a fresher. I will directly try as a full stack developer. It's a waste of time, Babu. It's a waste of time. Sometimes you may lose your confidence because it's not that much easy to become expert on what 6 domains as a fresher, right? So please, I'm from industry. I'm software consultant for 2 IT companies. I have my own startup. I'm telling all these statement out of my experience. I don't teach from books. I don't teach from internet. I teach out of my analyzation. I teach out of my discussions. I teach out of my what? Experience. You want such subject, then choose me as a faculty. You want textbook knowledge, internet knowledge, you can go through YouTube channels or internet websites. Understanding my statement, guys? Super. Shall we get into the discussions? Yeah. Okay, boss. Now listen. Okay, I already said salary part. Java fresher, max 4 to 5 lakhs. Java full stack developer fresher, max 9 to 10 lakhs. 5 years experience, 4 years experience, Java experienced, max 20 lakhs. Java full stack developer experienced, 30-35 lakhs you can expect. 30-35 lakhs you can expect. Understanding my statement, guys? So don't run after money. Don't run after money. Run after subject. Run after knowledge. Run after expertization in certain domain. Are remaining all are byproduct. Job is byproduct, salary is byproduct, okay, social recognition is byproduct, company recognition is byproduct, social identity is byproduct, everything is byproduct. If you learn this course by making job as your product, you may get failure. If you learn this course, I should become Java subject expert. Okay, job will come, money will come, social identity will come, everything will come. If product is good, byproducts will be good. If product is bad, byproducts will be bad. Understanding my statement, guys? So that's why your target is not job. Your target is if you have 10 friends who belongs to IT industry, at least 7 friends should say, this guy is something in Java. This guy is something in what? .NET. This guy is something in Python. They should appreciate, they should recognize your talent because they are your close friend. They seen you from the childhood. They seen you at least from last 4 or 5 years. Okay, they can judge you better. Out of 10 friends, if 7 friends says that statement, you have become that subject expert. Then your life will be smooth and you need not to look back. You need not to look back. Understanding my statement? Okay. Super, guys. Sir, how to show gap as experience? How to show gap as experience? How to show gap as experience? Learn multiple technologies. Okay. Multiple technologies in one domain. One domain. Learn multiple technologies in one domain. Okay. Okay. Complete multiple mini projects. Complete one major project. Okay. You can join course for this. Course for this. Okay. Arrange documents. Arrange documents. Understanding my complete one major project. Array project batches are there, Rababu. Project batches are there. You can join project course. Yeah, we can join project course, Rababu. Okay, array technologies and mini projects will be covered in regular courses. And for major projects, separate course is there. And arrange documents. Arrange documents. Okay. Consultants are consultants. Consultants. Okay. Consultants are available for this. Available for this. Next, attend, not attend, give mock interviews. What guys? Mock interviews. Give mock interviews. Okay. Change body language. This is very important. Experienced person body language is always different, Babu. Experienced person body language and attitude is always different. Understanding my statement, guys? There are organizations who are giving fake documents, Babu. Arrange documents. Okay. Showing arrange documents showing gap as experience. Understanding my statement, guys? Change body language and attitude. Attitude. If a fresher goes to interview, he should behave as if he need that job at any cost. But if experienced person goes to interview, you should always believe, if you give the job, no, if you don't give, I have my existing job. If you don't give, I have my existing job. Understanding my statement? That body language, that attitude is always there. Understanding my statement, guys? Fresher, you should give the feeling, I need that job. You are in need of that job to showcase your talent. But experienced person attitude is always different. He never requests for the job. He never shows body language attitude. You give me job, I need job kind of thing. You test my knowledge. Let's discuss the subject. Okay, my knowledge and your requirement is matching, I will join and work for you. If not matching, anyhow I have my job, I will continue in this job. Anyhow I have my job, I will continue in that job. Understanding, guys? Got the clarity, boss? So these are the various suggestions. Okay. Right, boss. Now listen carefully. So from my side, session is over. Okay, first day na, I will take 1-to-1 question for next to 20 minutes. I will answer each and every question. Now you can put all your personal questions. Tomorrow onwards, I will start subject discussion. Tomorrow topic is, what is the difference between language, technology and framework? After understanding what is framework, then I will start Spring Framework. Is that clear, guys? Okay. I will answer everyone, Rao. One by one. Don't repeat your question. Type question only for one time. Press enter key. Wait for my answer. I will take the name and I will explain the answer. Alexa, activate balcony lights.
Balcony doesn't support that.
Alexa, activate balcony central lights.
Okay.
Right. DSA, what topics need to be prepared to go to MNC? All topics you should learn. What is Spring and Hibernate? Both are frameworks. Both are frameworks which are there to simplify the application development. Okay. Google Classroom join link. After 2-3 days, I will create it. Can we learn parallelly Angular JS? Yes, but you should have a JavaScript knowledge. Okay, Srija, without knowledge of core Java and full stack Java, can we understand Spring? No. Core Java is the prerequisite. Okay, you should have core Java, OOPS knowledge and exception handling knowledge. After that, you can do core Java Spring parallelly, core Java, advanced Java parallelly, advanced Java Spring parallelly. Okay. How to survive if you had fake experience? Tushar, my classroom subject and your practice with that knowledge, you can happily survive.